Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you will be in the best of your health. I am also fine. Students, I welcome you once again on my channel. Students, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, I suggest you quickly subscribe my channel if you want to make maths easy for you. So, students, let's make maths easy all together. Students, I have started the chapter of number system. This is 8th standards chapter, number system. In this chapter, we'll learn today adding numbers with different bases. First of all, students, in the first part, we'll learn both are binary numbers. Let's learn how to add them. First of all, students, we have to count the digits of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In this number, there are 11 digits. Let's count the digits of the other number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, the digits of this number are 10, 1 less than this number. Students, that means this number, the first one is bigger than the second number. So, we'll write the bigger number above and the smaller number below. So, let's add them. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 with base 2. We'll write this number, the second one, starting from the right hand side. Base 2 will start from the first number and we'll write it right under the above first number. 1, 1 and 1. Then 0. Exactly write the numbers or the digits under the digits which are written above. 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So, students, this number has 10 digits and the number written above has 11 digits. So, we have to add them. So, write plus sign on the left hand side. Now, when we'll add starting from the right hand side, we'll add 1, 1, we'll get 2 because we are adding the numbers with base 2. So, we'll find LCM of 2. So, starting with 2, we'll get 2 1s are 2 and remainder is 0. So, instead of writing exactly 2, we'll find its base number first. So, its base number is 10. So, this is 10. Instead of writing 2, we'll write 0 of this 10. And 1 will be carried over. Now adding the next numbers 1 plus 2 plus 1, 3. So the sum of these three numbers is 3. So let's find LCM of 3. Doing it with base 2, or you can say 2 1s are 2 and the remainder is 1. So answer is 11. We'll write 1 of this 11 and 1 will be carried over. Again adding the numbers with carryover 1, 2, 3. We'll get 3. Again we'll get the base number or the LCM number 11. We'll write 1 under the next number and 1 will be carried over. Now students, we have zeros above and below, but this 1 will be added into these zeros, will get 1, and we cannot find the LCM of 1, so 1 will be written as it is. Now there is no carryover. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 will be written as it is. Next, 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 will be written as it is again. 1 plus 0 is 1, because they are not greater than 2, so we'll write them as it is. Again, 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. And here 1 plus 1 is 2. So we know that finding the LCM of 2, we get answer 10. So we'll write 0 of 10. 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 1 is 2, and we'll get the same answer 10. So there is no more number on the left hand side. So we'll write the full number, which is 10. So this is the answer with base 2. This is how to find the addition of two binary numbers. So let's do the next part, students. Okay students, now we have to do second part, which are having base 5. So method is the same, by which we have done binary numbers addition. We'll do the same method, and let's count them. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Both numbers have same number of digits, so we'll write them exactly under each other. So let's add them, students. First of all, starting from the right hand side, 2 plus 4 is 6, because it is greater than 5, so we will find its LCM. Divide it with the base number. Base number 5. 5 ones are 5, and the remainder is 1. So we get 11. Instead of writing 6, we'll write its LCM number, which is 11. 1 will be written and 1 will be carried over. Next, we'll add these three numbers. Carry number 0 and 2 will get 3, because it is smaller than 5. So we'll write it as it is. The number which is smaller than 5 will not find its LCM, rather than it will be written as it is. So there is no carryover. Next numbers will be added. 1 plus 1 is 2, which is smaller than 5. So we'll write it as it is. Next numbers are 0 plus 0 will be 0. And let's do the next addition. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 is greater than 5, so we'll find its LCM, dividing it with 5, the base number. 5 ones are 5, 2 is the remainder, so we have got 12. We'll write 2 of this 12, and 1 will be carried over. Adding the next numbers, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So we have already found the LCM of 6 by dividing it with 5. So its answer is 11. 11 will be written full, because there is no next number to add. This is how to add the numbers having base 5. Students, next we have to find the addition of octal numbers. Okay students, let's do next part. These are two numbers with base 8. Base 8 is called an octal number. So these are two octal numbers. We have to add them by the same method we have done binary numbers and the numbers with base 5. So let's add them with the same method. Number of digits are the same in both the numbers. Now we have to add the numbers with base 8. First of all, 1 plus 6 is 7. Since 7 is less than the base number, which is 8, so we'll write 7 as it is. The next numbers are 3 and 5. Adding these two will get 8. So let's find its LCM with base 8. 8 ones are 8 and the remainder is 0. That means its answer is 10. We'll write 0 of 10 under these two numbers 3 and 5, and 1 will be carried over. Now adding next numbers, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11. Let's find its LCM. Dividing it with 8, 8 ones are 8 and the remainder is 3. We'll get 13 and 3 of 13 will be written under these numbers. 1 will be carried over. Adding the next numbers, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, and base 8 we have already done the LCM of that number, which is 10. 10 will be written as it is because there is no next number to add. So this is the addition of octal numbers. Students, I hope you have understood very well the method how to add the numbers with different bases. If you want to make maths easy for you, quickly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that you could get all the notification of my next videos. Okay students, goodbye, have a nice day.